In this example, we'll be exploring how to implement JWT JSON Web Token authentication using Express.js, a popular web application framework for Node.js. Setting up the project. Create a new folder for your project and navigate to it in the terminal. Initialize a new Node.js project by running npm init-y. Install the required dependencies, npm install Express.js Web Token body parser. Create a basic Express server in a file as app.js. Run your app by running node app.js command. Create a basic route to display Hello World in the web browser. Implementing JWT Authentication. Firstly, we import necessary packages such as Express, JSON Web Token, and Body Parser, which helps in parsing JSON requests. We create an Express application and set up middleware to parse incoming JSON requests. Then, we define a secret key for signing our JWT tokens. Next, we have a sample array of user data. In a real-world scenario, this would be replaced with data from a database. We create an endpoint/login where users can submit their credentials, and if valid, a JWT token is generated and sent as a response. We also implement middleware called Authenticate Token to verify the JWT token for protected routes. There's a sample protected endpoint /protected that requires a valid token for access. Now, let's run through the code. To run this code, make sure to replace the sample user data with your actual user data and set a secure secret key. This example provides a foundation for implementing JWT authentication in your Express.js applications. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial on JWT Authentication with Express.js. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. Until next time, happy coding!